Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Music on Apple Watch. First, make sure the Amazon Music app is installed and updated on your iPhone. Your Apple Watch needs to be paired with your iPhone. Then, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the Available Apps section and install Amazon Music. This ensures both devices are ready for a seamless music experience, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. To enjoy music without your iPhone, you'll want to download it directly to your Apple Watch. Open the Amazon Music app on your iPhone and find the music you want. Tap the three dots next to a song or playlist, then select Download to Apple Watch. For the quickest transfer, place your watch on its charger and connect it to a Wi-Fi network. This allows you to listen offline, perfect for workouts or commutes. Once your music is ready, controlling playback on your Apple Watch is straightforward. Open the Amazon Music app on your watch. You can browse your downloaded content or manage music playing on your iPhone. Use the on-screen controls for playing, pausing, skipping tracks forward or backward. To adjust the volume, simply rotate the digital crown. This gives you complete control right from your wrist, making your listening experience effortless. For those with a cellular Apple Watch, you can stream music directly without your iPhone nearby. Always connect your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds to your watch for private listening. Remember to manage your watch's storage by deleting downloaded music you've finished with. Regularly checking for Amazon Music app updates ensures you have the latest features and the best performance. Enjoy your music wherever you go with ease and convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.